It's me and friends.
Hi guys. Welcome to our, what is it, micro studio apartment tour. I'm not gonna let you guys in just yet. Excuse me. I'm gonna show you guys the patio first. So yeah, you guys may have seen the patio in previous videos. So when we first got to Las Vegas, we didn't have our furniture yet, so we had to have a place to sit. So this is the patio. Come on over here and look at it, all of it. It's a little dusty now, you guys, because here in Las Vegas, it gets really dusty. So it's a little dusty. I haven't cleaned it off this morning, but yes, and this is extra storage because, like I said, we stay in the micro studio apartment, so that is extra storage and everything over there. I still have my shoes and everything drying, and now I'm gonna take you guys into the apartment. So now you can come in. Come on. I'm gonna take you guys to the kitchen first, so let's head there. Okay, you guys, so this is our kitchen. Like I said, it is a micro studio apartment. This is our fridge. We have food in it, you know what I mean? This is our kitchen. We have all sorts of things you would think in a typical kitchen. You would just have your dishes and all of that in your cabinets. But no, honey, we have some of everything, and my wife will show you guys that in the next video. So make sure that you are subscribed. Come on, honey. Here is our salt lamp, regular drawers, the stove. It came with all of these appliances, you guys. It's all very easy to access. As you can see, the microwave, the cabinets. We did buy a Ninja Foodie when we lived in St. Louis. Baby could not wait to get here in Las Vegas to use it, because I told her she could not use it in St. Louis. It was none of that going on. And so you guys, over here we have our plants and our pictures. My father, you know, he passed away last year. This is our very first plant that we ever had. Her name is Libby. And we had her ever since we lived in Atlanta. And so yes, and these are all our crystals and everything, you guys. I love the backdrop here. I do shine it like 2 or 3 times a day. You can ask my wife. Buddha is over there, our Rachel Ray pot set and everything. And you guys, I really love this because we didn't have this in our other place. Look, I can sit and eat dinner finally. So now let me go ahead and take you guys to the bathroom. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna go into the bathroom, which, you know, it's not much, honey. It's not like bathrooms are big. And again, this is a micro studio apartment. So yes, come on in. This little tray right here, my sister got that for us. Tiara, thank you so much. And this is the shower. Not much to see there. Babe and I tend to hang our robes and everything here, you guys. The toilet, the sink, as you can see, everything is all nice and tidy and everything like that, you guys. We keep it like that. So yeah, this is the bathroom, and I love the mirror because you can open it up and it has the mirror in the back. So I tend to put my makeup there. I don't know why, kind of weird. So yeah, you guys, this is the bathroom, our laundry and everything. This bathroom is actually a little bigger than the bathroom that we had in St. Louis. I don't know how they managed to do that in a micro studio apartment. So let's go to the bathroom, and then I'm gonna take y'all to my living room because you didn't think I had one, but I do. So let's go. Okay, guys, so this is the bedroom slash living room. Now you did see the porch, which is also a living room because our place is really small. So right here, we just have our little section with all our plants and everything. But this is our bedroom right here, you guys. And these are the lamps that I told you guys I wanted y'all to see. Baby's light. Actually, her light takes the remote, so we're not even gonna cut her light on. We're gonna come right on over here to my light. These are the lights maintenance man put up. Baby contacted him and actually had him do it for us. And so you guys, I love these. You can't really see it right now because it's the daytime, but it does have a dimmer and everything going it. See that? See that? Yes, and this is our closet. I love that there's a mirror right here. So although we did come with our own mirror, we didn't necessarily have to have one because boom, it's one right here, you guys. And oh shit, Jesus Christ. Voila, you have our clothes. Y'all, listen, I don't know if y'all know or not, but me and baby, we had so many freaking clothes. We had so many clothes, so many clothes. This is not even probably half of the things we had before. And as you can see from the porch, we still had to put up some storage, honey, and still got to put some stuff up because the seasons are changing. But anywho, this is my part down here at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Nicely organized and everything like that. This is baby's upside part up here, nicely organized. She definitely likes to color coordinate everything all the way up to the top and all of that, you guys. So we actually managed to fit a good deal of clothes. Is this clothes? we managed to fit a good deal of clothes in the closet, so I was really excited about that. This is the mirror that we had in our apartment. No, we had this in our studio apartment, right, babe, in St. Louis when we first moved there. So you guys may know this baby right here, honey. And then look at who we have. If you are not subscribed to our channel, excuse me, make sure you go subscribe. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this studio apartment, y'all. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love Las Vegas. And yeah, I know a lot of people were like, when we told them we was getting a studio, they was like, you guys are getting a studio. Honey, look at what all we did. So I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.